There ain't nothing wrong with a tiny box. The only problem is we don't know what's inside this tiny box. So what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy, here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, it's a roll of PEZ. So these here... tape? You taped this... like it was gonna come alive. Unacceptable. Well, you have a Ziploc bag. Don't you believe that the two colors forming the... what was it? Yellow and blue makes green? Yeah. Alright. There we go with a couple versions of PEZ candy packs. Now remember, PEZ is a candy company. And they do have cool things like mandarin flavored. And as you see, this candy pack here, it has a Christmas theme to it. Unless it's mandarin peppermint. Nah, I don't think it's mandarin peppermint. But this one here is Christmas cookie. Now, I don't know if Christmas cookie is actually different from sugar cookie. Could be, maybe not. And then this past year, the nashi flavor came out. Now, all of these are European packs in European flavor made by PEZ International. And this one here. Now, anise and black licorice, that's the same flavor, isn't it? So this is black licorice. So are they going back on, or to the original flavor of, one of the original flavors of anise? Oh. Now, these, though, they have some writing on them. I don't know what that says. It's not best music for Bear. Or Bjorn? Bjorn, maybe? Oh, die best music for... no clue. Maybe that means the. I'm probably 100% wrong. In fact, I know I'm wrong. But yeah, I managed to get these candy packs, but then I noticed that they came in a little tiny box. And guess what? Oh, yeah. Another tiny box! 2 boxes at once! Yes! All right. I can't wait to see what's in this box, because I know what was in that box. And going about a month in between boxes, I don't think that's the best thing to do, but... Ooh. Tape. You taped the bubble. Really? Let's see how fragile this really is. And how alive it can become. And 2 more candy packs! Alright. Alright. So, we have this one. Let's see. It says... test... Oh, I think this is a test. I know I can't read that properly. Just for a fact. I know that for a fact. But what I can read... my good friend Lester Noonan. Yes, Western Union. Back in the day, you could call, get somebody on the phone, tell them it's Western Union on the line, and then when they answer, hey, it's Lester Noonan, how are you? Yeah, never send money Western Union for PEZ. Only do it with protection and all that other stuff. Or else you'll end up being a... yeah. Not a PEZ collecting fan. That's for sure. That's a pretty good pack, though. I will say, one of the best I've seen. So yeah, don't forget, PEZ is a candy company, and PEZ International has some really cool packs. So until next time...